Pretty muted trading session coming in for our Indian markets today. We've given up that opening gains, currently trading muted with a positive bias. Broader markets are in the negative territory. You have banks that are actually declining the most. The PSU Bank Index is the top loser in today's trading session. Meanwhile, you have the metal index that is the top gaining sectoral indices in trade today. And talking about banks, you have Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, as well as the Kotak Mahindra Bank, the private banks that are actually weighing heavy on the Nifty, but it's the TCS as well as RIL, the gains on that, both those two counters, as well as HDFC Bank and Infosys, is actually aiding the market movement, sustaining the moves in today's trading session. So let me talk about stocks that are buzzing based on news. Very few of them. First up, I'll talk about Shalby. That particular counter gained over 5% in trade today. The board has approved raising up to 117 crore rupees via share issue or bonds. Also, the board has passed enabling resolution to bring down the promoter stake in the company to 75% from current 79.45%. Future Enterprises, after defaulting on its debt obligations and also various downgrades coming in from rating agencies, the company said that it has paid interest on its non-convertible debentures that were due on Monday. And based on this particular news, you have Future Enterprises that's up 5% in trade. Defense-related stocks were a buzz in trade. That's your BEML, BEL, Bharat Dynamics, HAL, all were buzzing in trade today as the government had released the new defense acquisition procedures, that's DAP. This will boost the local manufacturing. Also, the government has said that the DAP will be applicable from next month onwards. So all these defense-related stocks were buzzing in trade today. Next up, you have Tata Steel that is holding on to gains. CLSA has upgraded the counter to outperform some sell. They've also raised their 12-month target to 405 rupees per share from 340 rupees per share. CLSA believes that the Tata Steel is down 18% in the last 1 month, underperforming the index as well as the local and global peers. They're saying the company is relatively better off in near term given the group's raw material integration, focus on deleveraging as well as reasonable valuations after recent corrections. So that is why CLSA is bullish on Tata Steel. Now let me talk about counters that are actually at record high levels today. You have Mindtree, you have Persistent, you have InfoEdge. All of these counters are actually trading at record high levels in today's trading session, and also adding to that name is Adani Green. That's also at record high levels. Apart from that, you have Strides Pharma as well as Hero MotoCorp that's trading at 52-week high. So all in all, this is how the picture is looking like today. After the 2 days of strong gains, today the markets are muted.